வியூவர்ஸ் என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 7 டேர்ம் 1 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 1 Sources of Medieval India lesson book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, dash are the writings engraved on solid surfaces such as rocks, stones, temple walls and metals. Option A, chronicles. Option B, travelogues. Option C, coins. Option D, inscriptions. Here the correct answer is option D, inscriptions. Second one, dash was the land gifted to temples. Option A, Velanvagai. Option B, Salaboga. Option C, Brahmadeya. Option D, Devadana. Here the correct answer is option D, Devadana. Third one, dash period was known as the period of devotional literature. Option A, Chola. Option B, Pandya. Option C, Rajput. Option D, Vijayanagara. Here the correct answer is option A, Chola. Fourth one, dash provides information about the first Sultan of Delhi. Option A, Ain-i-Akbari. Option B, Tajul Mazar. Option C, Tus-i-Jahangiri. Option D, Tariq-i-Frista. Here the correct answer is option B, Tajul Mazar. Fifth one, dash an Arab-born Morocco scholar travelled from Morocco to India. Option A, Marco Polo. Option B, Al-Bani. Option C, Domingo Paz. Option D, Ibn Battuta. Here the correct answer is option D, Ibn Battuta. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash inscriptions provide details about administration in a Brahmadeya village. The answer is Uttiramerur. Second one, dash had stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his gold coins and had his name inscribed on it. The answer is Muhammad Ghori. Third one, 3.6 grains of silver amounted to a dash. The answer is Jittal. Fourth one, dash was patronized by Sultan Nasir-ud-Din Muhammad of slave dynasty. The answer is Minhaj-us-Siraj. Fifth one, an Italian traveller dash visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. The answer is Niccolo Conti. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. Second one, Konark, Odisha. Third one, Dilwara, Rajasthan. Fourth one, Virupaksha, Hampi. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, Pallichandam was the land donated to Jaina institution. The answer is true. Second one, the composition of metal coins gives us information on the political condition of the empire. The answer is false because it gives information on the economic condition. Third one, the high cost of copper made palm leaf and paper cheaper alternatives for recording royal orders and events in royal courts. The answer is true. Fourth one, Domingo Paz, a Portuguese traveller, visited the Chola Empire in 1522. The answer is false because he visited the Vijayanagar Empire in 1522. Fifth Roman letter, match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. Assertion, Muhammad Ghori's gold coins carried the figure of goddess Lakshmi? Reason: the Turkish invader was liberal in his religious outlook. Option A. Or is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is wrong and R is correct. Option D. A and R are wrong. So here the correct answer is option A. Or is the correct explanation of A. B. Find out the wrong pair. First one, Madura Vijayam, Ganga Devi. Number 2, Abul Fazl in I Akbari. Number 3, Ibn Battuta, Taqi-i-Hind. Number 4, Amukta Malyada, Krishna Devaraya. From these 4 pairs, we should find out the wrong pair. The answer is 3, Ibn Battuta, Taqi-i-Hind. C. Find out the odd one. Inscriptions, travelogues, monuments, coins. So here the odd one is travelogues because other 3 are primary sources. Travelogues is the secondary sources. Sixth Roman letter. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Who compiled Nalayara Divya Prabandham? The answer is Nada Muni. Question number 2. What does the word Tus mean? Answer is autobiography. Question number 3. Name Jahangir's memory. The answer is Tus-i-Jahangiri. Question number 4. Name the 2 different types of sources for the study of history. Answer is primary sources and secondary sources are the 2 different types of sources for the study of history. Question number 5. List out the important mosques and forts constructed during the medieval times. The answer is Quwwatul Islam Masjid, Motki Masjid, Jama Masjid, Fatehpur Sikri Dargah, all in and around Delhi, and Charminar in Hyderabad are the important mosques belonging to the medieval times. Forts: Agra Fort, Chittoor Fort, Gwalior Fort and Delhi Red Fort. Question number 6. Mention the important foreign travelers who visited India during the medieval period. The answer is Marco Polo, a Venetian traveler, Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Niccolo Conti, Abdur Razzaq, Domingo Paez. 7th Roman letter. Answer the following. Question number 1. Describe the different types of coins introduced by the rulers of Delhi Sultanate. 8th Roman letter. Answer grid. First one. Dash was the courtier of Emperor Aurangzeb. The answer is Kafi Khan. Second one. Thiruvalangadu copper plates belong to Dash. The answer is Rajendra Chola I. Third one. Dash was the land for the maintenance of the school. The answer is Shalabhoga. Fourth one. Dash compiled Periya Puranam. The answer is Shekilar. Fifth one. Dash is an Arabic word meaning history. The answer is Tariq. Sixth one. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Dash in the south. The answer is Devagiri. Ninth Roman letter. Higher order thinking question. Question number 1. The composition of metals in coins is indicative of the economic prosperity of the empire.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.